Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today's Mother's Day, and by the time this video goes out, it will be maybe a day or two after, but I hope all of the moms out there enjoyed their Mother's Day and were showered with love, and it was just a nice, relaxing, and peaceful day for all of you. I have one of my little munchkins here, and I'm gonna see how far I can get with my makeup while I'm holding her. I'm sure I'm gonna have to give her to her dad in a short while. But yeah, let's see how we can do this. Here, Mama, I want to do your makeup too? Yes, you doing your face. Yeah, good girl. So today's video, I'm going to be using some of my favorites. Some of them I haven't touched in a while, and some of them I use all the time. But I want to create a look using these products today. I figure since it's Mother's Day, I'll let her into... Ooh, bless you. You didn't put that in your mouth, did you?
I did.
You did? Why? I figured I'd let her interrupt me today. It's Mother's Day. It's okay. Until she's ready to run away. She's not going to want to sit here for too long. Yeah, I'm talking to the camera. This is a video. A YouTube video. This is foundation. Show them which one we're going to use today. This is Estee Lauder. That's what we're going to use. Okay? But you can't throw that. It's glass. Give me. Thank you. And do I want to color correct today? I'm not sure. Did we color correct, Mama? Yes? Here. You cannot just pull this whole... No, stop. Okay. All right, time to go. Time to go, my dear. Okay, that little princess tried to pull my whole thing down here, so she has to go. Today I'm going to use my Danessa Myricks Blurring Balm Powder in 8.5 as a primer. I know you can use it as your all over face foundation, or you can use it as a primer. I like to use it as a primer sometimes because I feel like it gives a really gorgeous finish to the foundation. And because it's just going on as a primer, it doesn't have to be perfect. Applied perfectly. I just kind of just slap it on, but it sort of just evens you out, and as you know, it definitely helps with oils. Okay, so for foundation today, I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup 6W1 Sandalwood, and I'm going to mix it with the Patrick Ta Major Skin Hydra-Luxe Luminous Skin Perfecting Foundation in the shade 20 Golden. Just a little bit, because I feel like the Estee Lauder can be a little too matte for me sometimes. Not always, but I like to add a little drop of luminosity to it. This is the Benefit Hoola Wave Bronzer in the shade Deep. I don't know if you saw me recording it from the beginning. I hope so. But here I am applying it to the hollows of my cheeks. This is an excellent bronzer. Love it down. I haven't used these for a while, but they were really good last time I tried them. They are the Natasha Denona Hy-Glam Concealers in NY11 and NP14. So I'm gonna go in with NP14 first. This is a flesh tone shade. Now let's go into NY11 and brighten this up. This concealer is really nice because it's hydrating, but it also gives you a ton of coverage. Look at that. I'm just gonna go back into the brush I used to contour just to clean up that edge. That is such a beautiful, beautiful concealer. For my blush, I'm going to use the Patrick Ta Double Take Cream and Powder Blush in She Knows Who She Is. These are amazing. I have these in so many different colors. These are so pigmented. And you know, they come with the cream blush and the powder. Nice 2-in-1 situation. Now we're going to set, and I haven't used this in a while. This is my Givenchy Prisme Libre 4-in-1 powder. I don't think they still sell this, to be honest, but this is what it looks like. Actually, I don't know if they do. I think they might have reformulated it, but I'm gonna use this to set my under eyes. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Bacon Snatch and Cinnamon Bun. This is the old one. I know she has a new one or updated formula or something like this, but I have so much of this left that I will not be grabbing that until this one is done. For my brows today, I use the Urban Decay Brow Blade in the shade Dark Drapes. This has become one of my absolute favorite brow pencils. This and the Benefit Precisely My Brow. But this one, I'm obsessed with the color and it just always comes out amazing. For my eyeshadow today, I'm gonna use the Patrick Ta Major Dimension palette. This has grown on me. I really like this. Today I'm just going really simple. So I'm gonna do a wing liner today. So I'm just gonna keep the eyeshadow look super simple and light. I'm just gonna go on with this one right here. This seems to be the one that I use most often. And that's it. That is literally all that I'm gonna do today. And now I'm gonna go into my wing liner. I'm gonna use what I always use. I don't have a higher end liner that I like. I just tend to stick with this e.l.f. Expert Liquid Eyeliner. So I'm just gonna do a wing and yeah, come back. I am obsessed with these Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liners, and I have this one in the shade Malt. I have been loving this shade. I have two other shades that are also amazing, but I tend to reach for this one a lot. This is the Pillow Talk 3 Intense Lip Liner. I'm just gonna go on top of the Anastasia with it. This is top 3, one of my favorite liners. All right, I'm going back into the Patrick Ta She Knows Who She Is Double Take Cream and Powder Blush. And I'm going to take the powder shade and pop that all over. Let's see. I don't know if I'm going to mix today with something else, but let's see how this looks on its own. Very nice. Oh, guys, you know what I forgot? I forgot bronzer. Yeah, I forgot bronzer. I'm going to use my Armani Luminous Silk Bronzing Powder. Really nice powder. I've been reaching for it more often. If I don't put it anywhere else, I put it on my forehead. All right, here's Easy Bake and Snatch Cinnamon Bun, going over everything. I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk number 3 Intense. So it's the same shade as the lip liner. Do I wanna do that? Honestly, my favorite one that I've discovered recently is Naughty Girl, which is a very, very nude shade. And I don't know if I want to go nude today or something a little darker. Let's see. We'll go with Pillow Talk number 3 Intense today. Okay, and then I'm going to spray my face before I go on with some highlighter because I do want to use highlighter today. So I'm going to take my Charlotte Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I mean, this is almost everyone's favorite, so no surprise. Let that dry down a little bit, and then we're going to use our MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish Blush. I haven't used this in a really long time, like a really long time. I miss it. This was once my favorite. It is my favorite highlighter. It just is the perfect shade. It's not too golden, not too silvery. It's just perfect right in between. Okay guys, this is the final look using only my favorite products. I'm gonna do more videos like these because I have a lot of products that I would consider my favorites that I would recommend to anyone. And these are just some of them, but I have a lot of good things. And so I love the way this look came out. This is sort of my signature or my go-to type of look when I do need a full face of makeup on the regular. I love the way this came out. Let me know down in the comments if any of these products are also your favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Look at my hands,
All right.
got no taste of that.
She only has a little left. Don't you?
She had the whole thing. I didn't
Let her.
taste.
That's hers. There's no more left.
Let me have a
Don't
taste.
take her last little taste. Stop it. Go get your own. Come say bye-bye. You gotta point to the camera, not to the...
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Woo!
Yeah, say bye-bye.
You come off me, miss. Bye.